YouTube. It's been a really long time. Coming back from the dark, pretty much. So I've been laying low, wanting to keep this a secret. I don't know, some of you guys already know, but the big announcement that I got going on is I have 3 300Zs now. I got this gold tan one, which you guys have never seen before. I picked it up from a guy up in West Jordan. My opinion is freaking dope. And then along the way, I ended up picking this guy up. I picked this up last night. This one is an 86 300Z. The tan one is an 87. The cool thing about the 87 is it's super clean body, super clean interior. Other than that, the motor is dead. The oil pump went out. Whereas this one, it's an 86 and it's got the turbo motor. So it's pretty cool, super fast, honestly. It pushes 8 to 10 pounds. We'll go for a ride here in a couple minutes. But yeah, as you guys can tell, it's pretty janky, a little sketchy, honestly. But, you know, it's been a while since I've showed you guys anything, or since I've done anything. Sorry, Luna. Oh yeah, by the way, I no longer have a Camry. I upgraded to a 97 Luna. So, pretty cool. Alright, you ready?
Yep.
It runs pretty well. Not bad for a turboed vehicle from 30 years ago at least. So I'm really excited what this can do. My big plans are going to drift it. Not this one at least, most likely this one. I want to drift, I want to get into the drift scene, start getting sideways and stuff. It'll be a lot of fun. So that's my biggest goal, my biggest plan. But for right now, I'm going to try and get this motor, this running motor right now. I'm trying to get it this car before October 5th. October 5th is the first drift event, and if I can get that vehicle and the rear differential swapped in before then, I'll be able to get sideways at least 2 or 3 times. So that'll be really cool. I'm just gonna go full send and hope for the best. It's gonna be great. So I'd like to introduce to you guys my new theme for this year, basically. Welcome to the Z story. hurry and hop in before we get in trouble. Let's hurry and rip the motor out, put it into the tent.
All right.
Did you see me pull the drift?
Yes, I saw that. And
I was gonna try and do a donut, and then I saw that car coming, and I was like, damn it, no. Oh my gosh, I love it. So, as you guys noticed, I only went through first and second gear. The reason for that is because this car has no third or fourth. The owner that I bought it from, he supposedly told me that it has a broken slider, like a shift fork or so. So basically, the slider in there that slides it from third into fourth gear, it's broken. I'm able to fix that. I can rebuild manual transmissions. So I'm just gonna buy a rebuild kit and the new shift fork. I don't know if I can buy it actually, now that I think about it. I might just have to take it from another turbo transmission, someone that has a total Z or something from somewhere else. But yeah, this transmission is rebuildable, like I said, so that's gonna be in the future. But for right now, I just have what's called the FS5W71C. That's in the 300ZX right now. And that transmission, I guess from what I hear, is okay if you drive it like a normal person, but like if you try and really hoon it and go ham with it, you'll blow it. So I'm gonna try and, you know, save that transmission for as much as I can. But with this one, I'm gonna try and get it rebuilt as quick as I can too, so I can have a lot more fun drifting. So yeah, there's that for you, and let's start pulling that other motor out.